Want to treat yourself to a DoorDash feast using that Visa gift card but scratching your head on how to add it? I've got you covered. Alright, first things first, fire up your DoorDash app. Make sure you're logged in, of course. Next, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon, or those three little lines, often at the top left or bottom right corner of the screen. Look for something that says account or profile. Once you're in your account area, scroll down until you find payment methods or payment options. Tap on that to manage how you pay for your delicious deliveries. On the payment method screen, you should see an option to add payment method. Tap on that to add your Visa gift card as a payment source. Here's where the trick comes in. Select the credit, debit card option. Even though it's a gift card, Visa gift cards are processed like regular debit cards. Now, carefully enter the information from your Visa gift card. You'll need the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code. That's the 3-digit number usually found on the back of the card. Be sure to enter your name in the name on card field. If the gift card wasn't issued to a specific person, you can try entering your own name. Almost there. Now, DoorDash will likely ask for a billing address. Since it's a gift card, you might not have one directly associated. Try using your own address. This is sometimes required for verification. Double-check all the information you entered and tap Save. If everything goes smoothly, you should see a confirmation that your Visa gift card has been successfully added to your DoorDash account. And that's it. You can now use your Visa gift card to pay for your next DoorDash order. Happy eating!